Morning. It is currently 10 to 7 and we are heading out this morning to hopefully catch some trout. This is what we're taking on the mission. So we've got some waders, some boots, both of which have been sort of recycled from a friend. So not in the best of condition. I've given them a little bit of an oil, but yeah, they're on their last legs, but they should still be better than those ones there which collect water once they get it in there. Yeah, so waders, we've got our little vests, flies, etc. in there, the bag and the rod, and the trusty net, which I managed to break the top of after the very first time I used it and improvised my own little wire hook. And of course, a coffee and some eggs for fuel. That's a cool little find from Trade Me last week. A nice little fly box. Heaps of flies. Ended up paying 140 shipped, which is less than $1 a fly, which is real good considering in the shop they're like $3 or $4. So yeah, can't complain with that. We've also got a bottle of water, and this is a Jack Stillman poncho as well. There's a bit of rain around this morning. That's the brother. We've come down to what's called the Toki this morning. It's a little bit cleaner than the one or two that we were going to fish. So yeah, not somewhere we usually come, and this place does get hammered a little bit, but see how we go. So he's dragged one out from under the bridge. Oh, he can't get the net off. Do you want some help? Do you need some help? He's gonna try to grab the tail. What a freaking machine. Yay! Well done. duck just hanging out there. Doesn't seem to worry about me for now. Someone's left a dead trout in the river. I just stood on it. Just saw a trout come out of the water and he went straight down and jumped on my brother's line. Whew. Oh, whoop, whoop. Quite the fighter, this one. Looks like a bloody ninja. Yeah, he's got him. Let's have a look. Here's me whistling at you because I just saw something break the surface. Yeah. It comes down and jumps straight on your line.
Cast up there.
Yeah. Not overly big though, is he?
No. No, chuck it back. Oh, geez, come here.
The conditions are fun.
Yeah.
It's very windy.
Interesting to see. Oh, that was on the top floor.
So look at your face in there too. Beautiful. There you go, mate. Spot number 2. Nothing for me except a dead fish. Little brother got a couple. Lost one as well. It's been a bit of rain the last few days, so the river's up a little bit higher than what it normally is. Good chance to try out a streamer. Plenty of birds around. Let's see.
One like that, buddy, see? On fire. See how they smash them?
Yeah, so we got the woolly bugger and this little bugger. Yeah, that was a good little fight.
Little rainbow hen.
Rainbow hen. You reckon that's about... must be close to the size limit for the river we're on, I guess. So we've run into a slight problem. And not one, but both shoes. I didn't think they were going to last long, but they haven't even lasted a day. Hello. How are you? So we're going to call it the air's really cooled down the last sort of 20 minutes, and it's been raining for probably a good hour, lightly, but enough to be annoying. Managed to hook one more on a streamer, but it got off. Happens. So yeah, total tally is 2 for my brother, one also got off, and then 1 for me, and 1 also got off. So good, only half a day. Yeah, good to get out and have a look anyway. See you on the next one.